Hello friends, in this video I will explore top 5 premium WordPress themes. So without wasting time, let's start. Number 5. Bridge. Bridge has remained a popular WordPress theme since its initial release in 2014. Since then, it's received many updates and improvements in a row, now version 9. Bridge theme includes 145 fully featured demos. This means that no matter what type of website you want to create, and what style of design you prefer, there is likely to be pre-built demos that's right for your website. The impressive number of demos might be most eye-catching feature of this theme. However, Bridge has much more to offer when it comes to creating a professional business website with WordPress. Now let's come to another one, the Gem. Number 4, the Gem. The Gem is a new addition to this collection of the most popular WordPress theme, most popular premium WordPress theme. With over 50 creative concepts to choose from, this multi-purpose theme can be used to create almost any type of website with WordPress, creating multiple categories and design style of each of website demos could be sold separately. However, as it is anyone who chooses, the gem gets access to a very impressive library of the website demos. Now, number 3. Newspaper. Newspaper is one of the best-selling news and magazine style theme for WordPress. No matter what content you will be publishing to your website, from serious articles and report through the reception, culture, and travelers website. The newspaper theme has a pre-built template to match. After a recent update, the newspaper theme now comes with a brand new drag and drop page builder to help you customize your website. The Tag Div Composer is specially built for news, magazine, and publishing websites and comes with over hundreds of elements to ensure each article has right. Now, number 2. Divi is a premium WordPress theme for elegant team. One of the best features of this premium WordPress theme is the integrated Divi builder. While Divi WordPress theme and its builder tools make creating your own custom design from scratch straightforward, the growing selection of pre-built templates provide a great foundation of your own layout. Those templates cover a wide range of scenarios, including multiple home pages, plus all the essential pages any good website will need. Now, number 1, the king of WordPress premium theme, the top one, Avada. Now, the king of WordPress Avada theme need to explain. Avada is the number 1 best-selling WordPress premium theme of all the time, at least at the busy theme forest marketplace, making it a worthy inclusion in this collection of the most popular premium WordPress themes. Avada website demos cover ranges of categories including photography, agency, gym, business, cafe, fashion, travel, e-commerce, and many more types of websites. All the demos and their pages can be customized through integrated page builder tool. So I wish that you will like this video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to receive new updates from my channel. Thanks for watching.